Hey, it's Melissa here with WTI. I cannot wait to share with you all of the reasons why I love having this new mosquito swatter in my home. One of the features that I really like is that it's rechargeable. But my favorite feature about this is that the charging dock allows it to stand, and by keeping it in the on position, it actually illuminates a purple light and mosquitoes are attracted to it. One of the other things that I really like is that you can just pick it up and use it like a regular swatter. You have the ability to kill insects mid-air, and sometimes they just gotta go. So the purple light is really pretty at night, and what I really like about this as well is that it has an extra guard over it to help protect any little fingers in the household that might also be attracted to that purple light. So even though it calls itself a mosquito swatter, you're also able to use it on other flying insects. You can put it in its charging dock, pick it up, use it manually, sit back, relax, and enjoy those warm summer nights. And that is my point of view.